Hey everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a super easy wig install, and this is a glueless wig, and it is from WowAfrican Hair. And I have rocked their wigs in plenty of my videos. The wigs are beginner friendly, so they're super easy to work with, and everything you need for your wigs is pretty much in the box. So let's go ahead and check it out here. We have the 2 HD wig caps, and because this wig is a glueless, you really don't need anything else. But let's see what else they have here. Now, this is the satin bag that the wig comes in. All right, so this is how she is looking. And we have bangs, you guys. We're working with some bangs. So this wig is actually completely a glueless wig, and it is a 12x6 closure. And this is the color. It's a really gorgeous brown. It is perfect for summer. I can't wait to actually try this wig on. But yeah, this is how she's looking. Now, this is the very front of it. Okay, so let's check out the inside of this wig. This is the actual frontal. You can see it going from ear to ear. And we also have the silicone grip as well, so that way it doesn't feel uncomfortable by your temple area. I think, yeah, temple. And then this is the elastic band just to adjust it. Now, something new that I noticed with this wig, it has like a Velcro backing right here, and then it also has the buckle, which I never seen that before. So you can kind of open it and close it and adjust it to fit your head size. So I do really like that they have that feature on it. And we also have the combs in the back as well. Oh, they have 2 combs on the side. I like that. I actually like that. So it's not in the middle, it's on the sides of the back, which is actually where you really need the comb. I love this feature that they added. And then you have the cutout area for the ear as well. So when you put the wig on, it's going to sit comfortably on your head, and it just goes over the ear. I actually really like that. We do have to style the hair because it has been sitting in the box for a minute, so we are gonna have to style her. Now, this wig, everything is done for you already. Pre-cut lace, so we don't have to cut the lace. And the color, it's pre-colored, knots are already bleached as well. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this on my head just to see how she is looking. Now, keep in mind, it has been sitting in the box, so the bangs are not exactly perfect. I have to style them. So yeah, let me pop that on just so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so we have it on, but clearly I need to pull this down. Clearly I do. I love her. I just love her. I already love her. Okay, so let's move the bangs out of the way. Oh, it fits perfectly. I love that. She went in with some hair serum, and I just add a couple drops, like just a small drop of hair serum in the wig. And as for the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and part it. But before I do it, I want you guys to see the hairline on this wig. So the hairline, this is how it is looking. And you can see that it is glueless. Now, the edges actually come down pretty low on this wig. Now, I could keep it, or I could cut it, but I think I'm gonna keep it. But if you do keep it, you're probably gonna have to put like tape on it or some glue or something right here. But I want to keep it glueless. But I also think that because this wig has bangs on it, the bangs are gonna cover that part anyway, so I don't really need to cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and just part the hair in the middle like so. I think we are centered. I hope we are. Okay, I think I'm centered, but it doesn't have to be perfect because the bangs are going to come down like this. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten it. I'm going to go in with my hair wax, and I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten out the bangs. So I still have to style it. Remember, it was sitting in the box for a while, so I do have to flatten down the bangs just a bit, and they are looking so much better. Then I'm going to go in with my curling iron, and I'm just going to curl it up. I don't want super tight curl. I just want a bit of a volume with the hair, and that's about it. But if you want the hair to be more voluminous, what you could do is curl with the curling iron and pop some rollers in afterwards. However, I'm going to go ahead and pop 2 rollers just in the front, just so the bangs can sit a lot better. So I'm going to leave these in for a while. Well, I didn't leave it in for very long, probably like 15 minutes, and the front looks so much better. So yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. This wig was super easy, probably one of the easiest install that I've ever done on this channel, because it's literally just wear and go wig. You literally just pop it on, you style it and you pop it on your head and go on about your business. You don't need to add any glue to it. You can if you want to for just a hold, but you really don't have to. But yeah, it looks really, really good. Let me know what you guys think of the bangs. Now I also tested it just to see how it looked in a side part as well, because it is versatile. Even though it has these short bangs on the side, I can't remember what you call these bangs, but what is it called? Is it the butterfly bangs? I could be wrong. Anyways, yeah, so this is how it looks as a side part. I really, really love how it turned out. I love the color and it is perfect for summer. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. Bye.